कैसे स्टार्ट
We have with us Dr. Bahar Bhaviskar sir, who founded Wild CER, which looks into animal and bird rescue. So, sir, please tell us something about it, sir.
Basically, I'm a wildlife veterinarian. Means I just used to rescue the wild animals and birds. And as you said, I'm a founder of Wild CR, Society for Wildlife Conservation, Education and Research. It's a conservation organization registered, and we try to do our part for the conservation. So there are three parts like conservation. We have some three projects. Research, we have some research going on, like we work on diseases of wild animals, and education, obviously some campaigns.
Okay. What inspired you to go into this domain?
See, I mean, right from childhood I am working on wildlife. I mean, right from 5th year age, I have just my first rescue of snakes. So, I mean, just cannot tell what exactly inspired, but it's just like a passion that goes on and that's continued.
Okay. So, tell me, what is your opinion about the policy on wildlife conservation in India right now?
Right now, at this stage, policies on wildlife conservation are sufficient. I mean, whatever going on is exactly right, but the implementation of all those policies is not how it should be. So there are strict laws and strict, everything is strict, but the implementation of all those things is not going well. So those management people should change the implementation, how they should implement those rules and laws. That's the part.
So, what do you think are the areas where modifications can be made in the policy?
The same thing. I mean, the people who are responsible for implementation of this, exactly, management and implementation of these rules, they need to be much strict. They need to be keeping much more vigilance. That is a simple thing. I mean, there is nothing to do extra. The people who are working on the wildlife field, they are already well equipped. The thing is that they should start thinking strategically.
Okay. We have heard that you have given lectures on man and animal conflict. So, what do you think are the reasons for this? The man.
Yes. See, man-animal conflict is a really complex issue. मतलब जो कुछ भी करना है, it's really complex. The first thing we should keep in mind that man-animal conflict cannot be solved. The first and most important thing cannot be solved at all.
So it has to happen.
It has to be managed.
Okay.
मतलब एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व कर ही नहीं सकते, हो ही नहीं सकता, बिकॉज द मैन इज सो ग्रीडी, इज रीचिंग एवरीवेयर. जंगल काट रहे, जहाँ पहुँच रहे, पेड़ काट रहे, बर्ड्स किलिंग हो रहा है, एनिमल किलिंग हो रहा है, पोचिंग हो रहा है. ये तो स्टॉप नहीं होने वाला है. मतलब इवन दो वी स्टार्ट टू कन्विंस द पीपल, कोचेस, इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल एट ऑल.
तो एक हद तक रह जाएगा,
हद तक रहेगा जाएगा, और उसको कंपेंसेट करना है, मतलब मैनेज करना है कि किस तरीके से मैन और एनिमल दे कैन को एग्जिस्ट. मतलब ये तो होता नहीं है कि मैन एकदम मतलब बिल्कुल निर्दोष है. इट्स नॉट गोइंग ऑन. मैन इज द कल्प्रिट, मेन कल्प्रिट. ही इज रीचिंग द जंगल, कटिंग द ट्रीज एंड causing some havoc in the jungle. That is the reason animals are coming outside. So it's not issue कि यहाँ पर किसी एक की गलती है, गलती ह्यूमन बीइंग की है, तो उसी को मैनेज करना है. मतलब एग्जिस्टेंस शुड बी कोएग्जिस्टेंस. बस वही एक सॉल्यूशन है.
What can be done to overcome the man-animal conflict? How do we live in harmony with animals?
या मतलब the same thing, educate the people. उनका नजरिया बदलना है, उनको let the people know that what they can do. कि coexistence क्या है उनको पता नहीं है. The people suffering in the wildlife or protected areas, उनके बच्चे उठाए जा रहे हैं, लेपर्स किसी को मार रहा है. So they are the sufferers. So it's our responsibility to educate the people who are getting suffered. यहाँ पर नागपुर सिटी में बैठ के तो ये प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं हो सकता. जो लोग सफर हो रहे हैं, we need to convince them कि ये coexistence है. और अगर आप थोड़े से कुछ मेजर्स लेते हो, कुछ जंगल में जाने के कुछ खुद के कायदे कानून बनाते हो एंड फॉलो करते हो, it won't happen. और नहीं होता है. मतलब whenever we just behave with the responsibilities, ये नहीं होता है.
So a proper awareness is what we
Exactly.